Yo, today we are making this girl's smile white and bright again. People are often self-conscious about their smile, especially when their teeth are somewhat discolored. In this case, we have to remove the existing composite material on her upper front teeth. After all the composite is removed, we can see that our patient's natural teeth are actually quite white. The teeth are healthy, so my preparations can stay in enamel, minimizing the chance of sensitivity after the procedure. I very gently prepare the lower teeth for veneers as well, and then the veneers go on, just like that. All 16 veneers in a natural style and bleach 2.5 color. Our patient no longer has discolored teeth. She can now smile confidently again, alright? Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and follow. Smile Makeover Volume 34 with Dr. Richard.